Apparently there was an election on Discord. If you did not know, on September 4th, Nepal's government banned up to 26 different platforms, including WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, as well as the whole list of all the rest that you could possibly think of. And you could probably guess that didn't go well with the public, considering Nepal's a mass population of over 29 million people. And you could probably guess that the Gen Z population of Nepal did not agree with this, also considering that they are the majority population of social media users. And as of September 12th, 2025, Sushila S. Karki was sworn as the Prime Minister of Nepal, and as well as the first woman to become the Prime Minister of Nepal at 73 years old and a former Chief of Justice. And this is allegedly done by Gen Z protesters that basically went to Discord and started a poll on voting for the next Prime Minister. Now you're probably wondering, why would they end up using this random poll in a random Discord server to actually select a prime minister for the country? Also, I just want to mention this ban was lifted just before the election happened, mainly because people were actually dying and basically there was complete chaos and just mass destruction. But essentially, the reason why they used that Discord poll was because the Discord server had over 100,000 members at the time. And during that election time, it actually went up to over 145,000 users over the span of a few days, soon after they were holding this event live and considering the Discord poll to be the official voting booth. Anyways, though, guys, that is the video for today. I wanted to go over that because that is a completely new thing that's happened. We've never had any sort of thing close to that happen on Discord, especially not an actual official government election. And if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to like it and share it with your friends, as well as please subscribe to my channel, as I make plenty of Discord update videos and Discord tutorial videos, and I love to help you out to create your first Discord server. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. Also, please tell me what you think about this below.